General, Section 13 and 14 enacts a rule of res judicata in case of foreign judgments. This provision embodies the principle of private international that a judgment delivered by foreign court of competent jurisdiction can be enforced by an Indian court and will operate as res judicata between the parties thereto, except in the cases mentioned in Section 13. Foreign court definition. Foreign court is defined as a court situated outside in India and not established or continued by the authority of central government. Foreign judgment definition. Foreign judgment means a judgment of a foreign court. In other words, a foreign judgment means an adjudication by foreign court upon a matter before it. Thus, judgment delivered by court in England, France, Germany, USA, etc. are foreign judgments. Nature and scope. Section 13 embodies the principle of res judicata in foreign judgments. The provision embodies the principle of private international law that a judgment delivered by a foreign court of competent jurisdiction can be enforced in India. The rule laid down in Section 13 is substantive law and not merely a rule of procedure. The section is not confined in its application to plaintiffs. A defendant is equally entitled to non-suit the plaintiff on the basis of a foreign judgment. Object. The judgment of a foreign court is enforced on the principle that where a court of competent jurisdiction has adjudicate upon a claim, a legal obligation arises to safety that claim. The rule of private international law of each state must in the every nature of things differ, but by the Committee of Nations certain rules are recognized as common to civilized jurisdiction. Illustrations. Let us see some illustration understand to the principle. First point is A sue B in a foreign court. The suit is dismissed. The judgment will operate as a bar to fresh suit by A against B in India on the same cause of action. The second point is A sue B in a foreign court. The suit is decreed. A then sue B on that judgment in India. B will be precluded from the putting in issue the matters which were directly and substantially in issue before the foreign court and adjudicated upon by the court. Jurisdiction of foreign court. It is well settled proposition in private international law that unless a foreign court has jurisdiction in the international sense, a judgment delivered by the court would not be recognized or enforced in India. But the jurisdiction which is important in such matters is only the competence of the court. The territorial competition over the subject matter and over the defendant, it is competence of jurisdiction in any other sense is not regarded as material by the court in this country. Binding nature of foreign judgment principles. The Code of Civil Procedure provides that a foreign judgment shall be conclusive as to any matter thereby directly adjudicated upon between the same parties or between parties under whom they or any of them claim litigating under the same title except. First point is where it is not been pronounced by a court of competent jurisdiction. Point number B. Where it is not given on the merits of this case. Point C. Where it is appears on the fact on the face of the proceeding to be founded on an incorrect view of international law and refusal to recognize the law of India in cases in which such law is applicable. Point D. Where the proceeding in which the judgment was obtained are opposed to natural justice. Point E, where it is has been obtained by fraud. Point F, where it is sustain a claim founded on the breach of any law in force in India. Foreign judgment were not binding circumstances. Section 13. Under Section 13 of the Code, a foreign judgment is conclusive and will operate as res judicata between the parties thereto, except in the case mentioned therein. In the other word, a foreign judgment is not conclusive as to any matter directly adjudicated upon. If one of the conditions satisfied in clauses A to F of section 13 is satisfied, and it will then be open to a collateral attack. Dicey rightly states, a foreign judgment is conclusively as to any matter thereby adjudicated upon and cannot be impeached for any error either of fact or of law. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, hit the bell icon, turn on all notifications.